Here I didn't know what was going on, but I was like, let me just dive in.
What can I say, Vafit? This is officially part 1 of rebuilding this e36 325i. And as promised, I did say that I'm gonna remove and tackle the engine, but I found an easier way to do it. Instead of removing the engine, I thought to myself, why not overhaul the engine while it's still inside the car? And the reason for that is because there's just a few complications. Alright, so now we're basically gonna strip this engine to basically get a hold of the head. So I'm thinking that we start with the intake manifold and the whole induction system, and then we're gonna move our way through here and then work on the coils, and then just remove the spark plugs from there. So yeah, I'm just probably anyways gonna montage everything for you guys, so that you guys can just not be bored about what I'm doing. Alrighty, let's get to it.
Alright guys, so here I was just marking the sensors that connect to the coils, just making sure that they're in order so that when I put back the new coils I know what sits where and it sits with what, so yeah, I don't want to confuse myself when I start assembling everything. So this is just me basically numbering and making everything is in order with the coils.
Alrighty, sorry guys for the lack of audio, but finally got the tappet gasket cover. That's the way it's labeled, tappet gasket cover. Basically it's the valve covers. So what I need to do now, I'm gonna need to remove this gasket, and then this is the head. I'm gonna remove the head, and this I'm gonna send it to engineering just to get it gas flowed, and just for them to just check if it's in proper running condition and get new valves while at it, Yeah, I just want this to be spick and span as to the best as possible. So yeah, let's just continue stripping this. Hey guys, it put me down yesterday, I won't lie. This is the next day, guys. I managed quite a few. I took out the tappet gasket cover, as well as the gasket that sits there, the gaskets that sits by these cylinders right here, as well as I don't know what they called. Should we call them bearings? Yeah, let me just bring them as an example for you guys. But yeah, they sit there by the camshaft. I put it here. Yeah.
There they are. That's it. So it sits flush like this on the camshaft. I just put the bolts back so that I don't lose them. So I think I'm gonna need to remove the front end to get to this.
Alright, cool.
So yeah, let's get into it. Hey, so guys, this is taking longer than expected. It's literally like this thing it had wires on. It was just wire upon wire. So we used the side cutters. We had to cut off the wires. We had to, like, the person that put this bumper on basically custom made it to fit in the way that he wanted it to fit. So yeah, it was just a mission getting that off. So yeah, bumper out. We'll catch back with you guys after getting the, I don't know what this is called, as well as the cradle. So hey guys, I know many of y'all might be wondering, why is this guy, I feel like this guy is lying to us. He's just overhyping the job. Alright guys, it was a mission. So we got these things out. This is everything. So those two things, they welded together. That's why it was just a mission to get everything out. So to remove one component, you had to remove the whole thing. Long story short, I'm gonna have to get a new wiring harness because I'm seeing some of the wiring here is not great. New radiator, of course, but guys, I mean, the head is, well, the tappet gasket is loose, as you guys can see here. It's loose. I'm just putting it on just to limit any debris getting there into the cylinders. Either ways, I am gonna drain the oil, but yeah, just to be on the safe side with that. Yeah, I feel like had I not started the video late, I would have been further, but I had some errands to do during the day. So yeah, not on you guys, all on me. Yeah, that's it for now.
AGB, yeah.